Go home happy with the 2022 Ford F-150. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, heated driver's seat, navigation system, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, iPod, MP3 input, heated mirrors. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.